Clearing the cache of an app helps you to run that app faster. So it is always a good idea to clear the cache of your apps from time to time, and in this video I will show you how you can clear the cache for YouTube app. For that you have to go to your mobile settings. So I'm just going to click the setting options. Within the settings you need to look for the apps, click on that. Within the app window you need to once again click on the apps. The list of the apps that are installed on your mobile will be shown on the next screen. You need to scroll down and go at the end for the YouTube app. In my case it is the third last, so I'm just going to click on that, and then in the next page you have to click the storage, and here you will see that you have the option of clearing the cache. So I'm just going to press that button, and here you can also clear the offline data that you may have stored, like the videos that you may have downloaded to watch offline that must have been consuming some space. As in my case you can see that it is 0.96. so I'm just going to press this and it will clear the data, but in my case I'm just not going to do it. But this is how you can clear the cache of a YouTube app on your Android mobile. The method I am sure will be the same for the iPhone, so if you are an iPhone user you can also follow the same method.